Hi everybody, this is my thank you day. I just want to thank you all because you've been so supportive over the years. We're moving towards the 450,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel and we want to reach that mark. So please join me there, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. You're the ones that have made this happen this far, and you're the ones that will make it happen into the future for other woodworkers. I've put together a group of tools here that are intrinsic. They're absolutely invaluable for the hand tool enthusiast, which is you and me, and we use these tools in our everyday life. So I pulled together some tools that I'll be giving away when we reach the 450,000 mark. We've got a Dovetail Saw, Tenon Saw, sliding bevel, combination gauge, combination square, a Stanley, my very favorite number 4 plane. Of all the planes on the market, this is probably the best. And then I've got my Stanley folding pocket knife, which I use all the time for my knife wall technique, and a set of chisels. There will be terms and conditions that apply, obviously. Join me, join your fellow enthusiasts and support the work we do, and we'll have a great fun time. I'll see you soon.